Welcome to our 3D print factory. Today we will introduce some interesting things. See here, there is the word C and word S. One of these is produced by our 3D print. And also, we have beautiful dragon here. And what is used for? We can put LED in it. Then this will be our beautiful LEDs. So our product will use for advertising. Then Feng come here. We can more clearly to see our 3D print. Then we can see two filaments here. One is red filament and the other is orange filament. They are working together. Two colors here. We can see them is working. Some people like to work speed, and the other like to work slow. We can adjust our speed on our computer, fast or slow. Very interesting, right? Today we will introduce you here, and tomorrow we will give you more surprise. Waiting for us. See you tomorrow.